The rear foot elevated single leg RDL is a hip hinge movement that builds unilateral strength and balance while targeting the glutes and hamstrings. If you struggle with balance, this variation reduces balance limitations compared to a traditional single leg Romanian deadlift. Here's how to do it correctly. Stand facing away from a sturdy elevated platform like a bench or box. You can also use a single leg squat stand since the roller pad is comfortable and assists with the movement of the back leg. Place one foot on the elevated surface with either your toes pressed into the platform or the top of your foot. Shift your weight into the front leg and keep a slight bend in that knee. Brace your core, keep your chest tall, and set your shoulders back. Begin the movement by hinging at the hips, pushing them straight back. Let your torso lean forward while the back leg stays relaxed and elevated. Lower until you feel a strong stretch in the hamstrings of the working leg. Keep your hips square and your back flat throughout the movement. Drive through the heel of the front foot to return to standing. Squeeze the glute at the top without leaning back. Complete all reps on one side before switching legs. If you want to see real results in the gym, it's time to stop doing random workouts and start following a structured plan. Try my workout app free for 7 days.